My name is Eugene Choe. I go by Loose Lee, and I'm a full-time b-boy. Growing up as a kid, I was super rebellious because I felt like I couldn't find my sense of identity. I felt like what am I doing here? I don't belong here. The first generation, the expectations are really high because now it's a new beginning. You can't just go back and say, you know what, I'm gonna go back to Korea. I'm gonna go back to my country because this is the country that I was born in. I'm here to live that American dream. Even though my parents did not have a lot of money, they always had enough money to help me get a new skill set, like going to take SAT classes or learning a couple instruments. You know, my father and mother, they pay for rent, they pay for the car, but then also my brother pays for the insurance. And I buy the food, or I'll go out and bring them lunch or something like that. Do the chores at home, you know, because things have to be done. And when you have the time, you know, you just gotta fulfill all these little things so that your family can move up together. Smile, have a good time, have fun. And if you mess up, that's great. You know what I mean? That's great only for this class because we want to see you guys just keep trying and learning, okay? Opening up my dance academy was a great foundation for my mom to say, you know what, look, you can do this too.
사실 저는 댄스를 할 줄 모르는 사람이었는데 유진이가 너무 댄스를 좋아하니까 그 세계가 어떤가 알고 싶어서 저도 줌바를 시작했고 또 살사를 시작하면서 아 이렇게 댄스를 하면 몸도 좋아지고 유진이가 하는 이런 동작들이 더 이해가 빨라서 유진이를 더 이해할 수 있게 됐습니다.
My mom, she's very supportive, so she will come and just do little goodie bags for the kids when it's like Christmas or when they have a dance. Yes. When I'm on fire, it's just like I'm levitating. I feel like I'm flying in a sense. Like I feel nothing really beats that adrenaline rush. I want to bring that to the kids. Because honestly, it did bring me out of trouble. And a lot of people that were into gangs and into doing harm to others, they changed their ways. And I've seen the miracles that happen, like just with hip hop and just the passion, what it could do.
Fly away.